Hello guys, welcome to Lulu's Kitchen. Today let's make chocolate and vanilla pancake. Go in with 3 cups of milk. Then after that we go in with 2 eggs. Add the egg and mix until it is well mixed and combine. Mix them thoroughly until it is well mixed. Then the next thing is to add your melted butter and groundnut oil. Mix again until the melted butter and the groundnut oil they are well mixed together. Then the next thing we are going to do after enough mixing, we set it aside. Then we go back to our dry ingredients. We go in with the vanilla essence, add the vanilla, then go in with baking powder, add it, go in with a teaspoon of salt, powder milk and sugar. Mix until it is well mixed and combined together, until the dry ingredients they are well mixed and joined together. Then we bring out our liquid milk that we already mixed. We begin to add the flour inside. We are going to be adding the flour step by step. After adding it, then we add the remaining batch and mix until it is well combined. Then after enough mixing, go in with some milk if it's too thick. If it's not thick, you can skip the milk. Then set it aside. We bring out bowl and scoop some out of the vanilla pancake we already mixed. We scoop out 1.5 cup. Then we go in with powder cocoa, chocolate powder. Mix it until the chocolate powder is well mixed together. Then set it aside. Then we bring out our vanilla pancake. As you can see, we arrange the chocolate one into a parchment paper. Then we begin to dip it as a dot inside our frying pan. Allow it to cook at the both sides. Then before we go in with the vanilla pancake that you already mixed. So add it thoroughly and make sure it is well covered with the chocolate. Guys, this chocolate and vanilla pancake tastes so amazing. It was so yummy, guys. So it's time to flip. Then we flip it. As you can see, can you see how beautiful it is? So easy and so good. Repeat the same process at the both sides. As you can see, our chocolate and vanilla pancake is ready, guys. So easy, so amazing, so simple. Then after that, the next thing we are going to do is to go in with our honey, and it tastes so amazing. Guys, if you are watching my video to this extent, what are you waiting for? Why don't you follow me on my Facebook page at Lulu's Kitchen? Follow me on my YouTube channel at Lulu's Kitchen. Subscribe and remain blessed. Bye.